Gonzo on the track.
What's going on, guys? I'm Banker with Custom Offsets, and today we've got a fun video. Now, you love the roasting your rides videos, and who better to roast than me? So today we're doing another one of those with a little bit of a twist. So instead of getting your panties in a bunch, I'm gonna roast employee rides. Now, before we start, wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, customoffsets.com. Let's get started. Now, I have no idea which trucks we're gonna do. Lawson just literally has a Post-it note back here. He's gonna throw me an employee and I'm just gonna roast their stuff. I know every truck around here. I've built every single vehicle on this lot, so I know the ins, outs, and the goods and the bads. So I'm kind of excited for this. Lawson, fire them off. Let's go.
Nick's 2011 Ford F-150.
Nick's, where do we even start with this truck? Let's start with the fact that this man has 30 Amazon rock lights daisy chained together with speaker wire underneath this truck. That is amazing. Aside from the fact that everybody wants to point out that he has 8 lug wheels on an F-150, like, which is unique, honestly. The man didn't want to have to wait for us to make 6 lug bolt pattern Archons, so he did 8x180 adapters. I mean, who wouldn't do that, right? And be 18 inches outside the fenders. But no, I'm glad he spent all the money on that instead of fixing his rockers, though. That was probably a really smart move, because now that you can see them because they're at eye level, yeah, it helped a ton. Nick, I'm looking at you. Go get some body work done.
Cole's 2015 Ford F-150.
Cole's F-150. Okay, so there's not a whole lot of bad to say about this truck, other than the fact that Cole is like mighty hunter man, and he's running 12 wides on a truck that he regularly Bajas through a field. Like, it rubs if you turn. And this man is just bouncing it off of furrows every weekend, chasing after ducks. I mean, he's deaf, so he can't hear it, but at the same time, brother, some 17x9s, some 35s would fit under there with that 4-inch lift, honestly, if you just went a little narrower, but everybody's got to show outs, right? And it's an EcoBoost, so.
Lawson's 2011 Chevy Silverado 1500.
Lawson, it's funny because he's standing right here, and he's heard all of these before, so don't feel bad for him. Lawson Silverado. Lawson over the winter needs to do something with his door jambs, because I'm sick of seeing red inside of his fucking purple truck. Other than that, I mean, I like the road he's on. One thing you won't see in Lawson's truck is that the man has all of his possessions in his back seat and passenger seat. Like, you have, like, you know, like the, oh, just push it to the side thing. No, you have to move like this man's kitchen and bedroom to hop in his truck to go for a ride. So, I mean, that could use a little bit of work. And the chrome grill's got to go. We're working on that. We know we're working on the chrome grill. So it's a work in progress, but, you know, I'm leading him by the hand. He's coming a long ways.
It's only been built for 4 months.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Rainey's Ram 2500 Cummins.
Rainey's Ram. That's a hard one to roast, honestly. He did a really good job with it. Aside from the fact that it's a 400,000 mile X county highway truck that's covered in road tar, it's a pretty nice truck. I know he's planning on swapping out the interior for a King Ranch. You should probably get on that, because right now it looks like you're sitting on park benches when you're driving around in the thing. And it looked a lot better gray. Like, he wrapped everything white, which makes it look more like a work truck. So Rainey, go back to gray quickly. Other than that, I mean, he did a really good job, attention to detail with the powder coat. I will give him that. I do like that a lot. But there's not a whole lot of bad I can say about that truck, other than it wants to be a 5th gen. It's not.
Your old truck, Taylor's 2010 Chevy Silverado 1500.
Ooh, Taylor Silverado. There is a laundry list of things I can roast on that truck, since it used to be mine. I will say this: it had one light on the dash when she took that thing over, and now it's got like 8. So most of it's user error, but you know, I mean, it runs like a bag of dookie, like real bad, really bad, which we're working on. Stay tuned for that video. somebody left it sit outside and now it's really rusty. I don't know who that could have been. It could use some doors, some rockers, maybe some bedsides. And you know, the fact that I built it in 2015 and I haven't really changed it since. This is more about roasting me because I built that entire truck. It needs an update pretty badly. She did put some terrible looking wheels and tires on it though. I'll give her that. Makes it look like a girl truck. That's for sure. I don't know, I can't roast that truck too much because I built it. Thanks for showing up.
Just pass it through.
I completely lost my train of thought. So I mean, it's hard for me to slam the truck too much because I did the majority of the stuff to it that made it the way it is today, the things that need to be fixed on it. So watch out for the build series because we're going to be doing a full rebuild of this truck soon-ish. As soon as there's snow on the ground, we're going to get started on that. So watch out for that. All right, guys, that's all I got. That's as honest as I can be with the employee rides here. So make sure that if you liked this video or you like us doing this to throw a comment in, make sure Lawson gets me back here to do this because there are some way worse vehicles out in this parking lot that I could really dig into. So remember, wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, customoffsets.com. Get your parts, get your trucks built, make them cool so I don't have to roast them. Peace.